What's that? Oh, I've got a big install. Lots of bananas going in the ground tomorrow. Why don't you stick around, see how it goes?
Do you see Banana Man hopping over on the white sand? Here he come with some for me, freshly taken from banana tree. Banana.
All right, big install day. See, the bananas are ready. Got half of them here, half of them over there. Now it's time to load the car. All right, the car is loaded with the bananas and we are almost ready to head out to Johns Island. Take about 30 minutes to get out there. All right, we finished our install. 12 bananas planted right along the fence line. They were planted there so that they can obscure a little parking lot, which I'll show you in just a second. Well, you can see that the trimmed leaves are going to help this banana plant. What's going to happen is it's going to protect it from a lot of high winds that we get sometimes during thunderstorms, because it can make the plant pretty top heavy. One of the things I wanted to show you about this area out here was how dark the soil is. It's practically black. This is some of the blackest soil I've ever seen. We're kind of in a swampy area, an old swampy area. So that's probably one of the reasons. Just a lot of organic matter in this dirt, and these bananas are really going to thrive. So this is the area. You see that fence back there where the bananas are going, and the whole idea is to try to obscure that parking lot back there. So in about another 2 months or so, they should be about close to 10 feet tall if they're treated properly, and then they will take off. And I think that the job will have been perfect for what they're trying to do, because in a year or two, a big hedge of banana plants will make that parking lot disappear. All right, this is Frank signing off from the major install. You can see the bananas all down the line there. Remember, if you like this video, to go ahead and hit the like button down below, and also subscribe if you haven't done so yet. We'll see you on the next one.